right, kiddos, I wanted to come talk to you real quick and let you in on a little secret. My secret is a testing tip. So this will help you as you go throughout your whole school career. This will help you on many tests. The first tip I'm going to share with you is to read the questions before you read or listen to the passage that's being assigned. So you've already watched this video, awesome. You already read this, great. Now even before watching the predicting the weather reading and this video, I want you to read these questions. That way, as you're listening to me read or reading on your own, you'll know what you're looking for. You'll know those key words to look for because of these questions. This is just a little testing tip, a little testing secret that I want you guys to try today. Good luck.